Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time for another reaction. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer with another reaction. And today, guys, I came across this one on Grime Daily. Predz UK, Naughty Naughty featuring Swarmz, 𝐉𝑒mba, and Noizy. I never hear about none of them artists yet, but the views are climbing, the views are mad. I don't know what the song is about, so let's go. May I jump straight tonight? Before I do anything else, guys, just do this for me, please. Now that is finished, now that is done, let's jump straight in, guys. Let's jump straight in. Remember, the video will be paused every 10 seconds. You don't know the thing already. Let's go.
If you don't
hold on there. That's some live news thing. Some live news thing. The youth them suited and booted. Alright. I don't know who is who. It says twerking competition goes viral.
make money, then it don't make sense. Bare fake love, see I don't need friends. And I dropped up whip and I don't move by me. I know you want me, but you can't afford me. Ooh.
Hey, if it don't make money, then it don't make sense. I don't have time for frivolous banters right now. If you're not talking about money, let's not talk about anything. Right now, I am stressed out with other things going on in the world nowadays. I don't need your negativity around me. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. That is how the song started. Don't ask me who said it, because I don't know these artists. Let's go.
Girls around me, naughty, naughty, don't come around me.
Ooh, them gyal are wicked, them wicked. Them gyal are wicked. Girls around me. Brother, no, me can't watch them gyal one time. Look here, brother. Bombat. Watch a girl, look on her, brother. The girl thick like clock. The girl thick like she drinks cement soup. The girl thick like my grandmother call me porridge. The girl thick. Alright, she thick. Yeah, we get the picture. She thick. Let's go.
Naughty, naughty, don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Hey girl, don't come around me. If you're boring, don't come around me. If you're not dancing, if you're not vibing, do not come around me. I don't have time for it. I don't have time for it. I'm a happy person. I'm a happy guy. Hold on, man. Let me put on my watch, man, because it's time to be a pervert.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
Time for it. Let's go.
Naughty, naughty, don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Bombo. Every type of girl in the video, you know? Every type of girl in the video. Yo. Every type of girl in the video. Mr. Chinese, Mr. Blackinese, Mr. Whitenese, Mr. Pinkinese, Mr. Yo.
The way she move, I want a bumper. I don't even know your name, but what's your number? What
Hey.
the bumper can wine?
Hold on, man. Hold on.
She move, I want a bumper. I don't even know your name, but what's your number? What the bumper can wine? Pon the one car.
Hey, guy, I never know your name. What is your number? Put it on my phone. Put a number on my SIM card. Put a number on my iPhone. I don't want to know your name. I will store it as whatever I want to store it as. If I think you should call painting, I'm going to call you so. But you look good. You look damn good, baby. I don't know your name. I know your number. That's the man I said. Let's go.
Oh, we come blow some mommy with a summer planter. I tell her whiny, baby. I love the way she do it, whiny, Shelly. Just grab a cup of.
Who is this you? That's some African guys, them? Is this a part of like a Afrobeat? Or what? What is it? What type of genre is this song? Cause the video clean, the girl them clean. Yo.
Baby, pour me Henny. And now she see a star boy on the telly. Now she want me for keep. If you don't.
Yo, she sent me on the telly. No, she want me for keep. She don't know me from nowhere. The girl that love me vibes, the girl that love me flow, the girl that love me swag. You see me on the telly and say, yo, I'm happy there with that boy there. That's what she said, not me. I don't there with boys. That is what she said. You understand? So don't get it twisted, don't get it mixed up. Let's go.
Make money, then it don't make sense. Bare fake love, see, I don't need friends.
So obviously, at the map of England that
If you don't make money, then it don't make
England and Ireland. So you know it's a booty everywhere.
sense. Bare fake love.
See that? Booty there everywhere. Booty there everywhere. Bouncing pitches across the country expected to intensify throughout the week. Yo, see that? Bouncing, see that? Bouncing pitches across the country. Yo, me like the concept of that video. I like it. Be a girl. Anyway, girl, let me there. I want to you. Anyway, girl, there. Rude boy there. Cause a girl me say. Yes, a girl me say. Let's go.
See, I don't need friends and I dropped up whip and I don't move by me. I know you want me, but you can't afford me. Ooh.
Breaking news. Breaking news. Yo, that video is different. Fire. Give me some fire for that. Yo, that video is different. It's not a normal video.
Girls around me. Naughty, naughty.
Look on the girl them, brother. Look on the calibers of girl, brother. Look on the caliber of girl them, dog.
Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Let's see, make a look.
Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if
I did tell you it was time to be a perv, right?
you're not dancing. Girls around me. Naughty, naughty.
Yo, the girl I represent with them flag to you, no dog. Hollywood is the girl them there. Naughty new studio breaking new. Yo, the girl them are twerking now. Where the man them find them girl, dog?
Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Let me sit back and stop killing myself and relax and enjoy this soft porn.
Girls around me, all up in my space trying to arouse me. Say she never bugged in a Rari. She's my
Are you that smooth with it? Are you that smooth with it? Are you that smooth with it? What name?
all up in my space trying to arouse me. Say she never bugged in a Rari. She's more than money, now show up on me.
Yo, the girl smell money now. She all up on me. She see the money. Not only that she see it, she smell it. So you know, say them girl I love money. Big up the independent girl them see me too, but you know, say some of them girl I love money. Let's go.
Ting with a bumper. Say she wanna taste, tell her really want come. I don't wanna stress, I don't wanna drama. I just wanna see you shake what you got from your mama.
Hey girl, she said she want the thing from the Willy Wonka. You know the Willy Wonka chocolate factory something. That she said she want the chocolate factory, you see me? Hey girl, me don't wanna stress, me don't wanna drama, just shake what your mother give you. Just shake what your mother give. Shake what your mama gave you. Just shake what your mama gave you. Shake what your mama gave you. That's what I say, not me. Well, yeah, me I say that, but yeah, that's what I said too.
I said rotate. You say you a freak, or you gon' show it. If you really want it, you can hold it.
Girl, you say you're a freak? Prove it. You say you're a freak? Hey, girl, you have to go prove it. I love bad girl, I love freaky girl. Girl, you say you're a freak? Prove it. You deaf? Let's go.
Girl, I think I love you for the moment, for the moment. If you don't make money, then it don't make sense.
Yo, girl, I love you for the moment. I love you for the moment because there's too much girl in this world to love and the way them bad. The way them bad, brother.
Bare fake love, see I don't need friends and I dropped up whip and I don't move by me. I know you want me, but you can't afford me. Ooh.
Yo, brother. The video, like I said earlier, and the video clean, the girl them clean, the video creative, the concept of the girl them have them country flag or represent themselves and thing. Yo, bumbo clot man.
Girls around me, naughty, naughty. Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Get them some latex in the brother. Every girl in the video look good. I don't see one bad apple in the bunch, you know. I don't see one bad apple in the bunch. Every girl look good. Every girl look good in the video. Yo, big up on yourself, brother.
Naughty, naughty. Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Bumbo Clark, the man gonna Albania now. Live from Albania. Jesus Christ. What them Albanian girl I gonna do ya now? Let's go.
Girls around me. Naughty, naughty. Papa me cocky.
Yo, look at the girl first of all. The man say, yo, girls around me. Naughty, naughty. When pa me cocky, Albanian youth are dealing with wicked. Yo, youth. Look up yourself, J.
Naughty, naughty. Papa me cocky. She got for Johnny. She got the Johnny. Girl, touchy, touchy. The big booty got me feeling touchy, touchy.
Bumbo Clark, them girl have me a weird dog. Them girl have me a weird brother. Them girl have me weak like 7 days. And a 1 week, 2 week, 14 days.
Me wanna feel, wanna squeeze, touchy, touchy. Me wanna know if it's real, if it's real.
More know if you're real or fake. If you're fake, it don't really matter. Cause the way you look, baby, it don't really matter if you're fake or you're real. Baby, you just look good, man.
It don't make money and it don't make sense. Came with the Rory, now I left with a Benz.
Yo, me drive here in my Ferrari, girl. Me have money to know yourself. Don't size up. Me have my money to, guys. Roll in a Ferrari, I'm leave out in a Benz. Cause me have choices. I've got choices of cars. Like I have choices of girls in the video. Look on the girl, them, brother. I saw Albanian girl, them look good. Yo, no ramp with the Albanian man, them see, you know. They may kill you for them woman, you know. That's how I know. Big up the Albanian G, them.
Take your gal and I can take her friends. She heard her name cause my music trends.
Man say, yo, I'm gonna take your gal, I'm gonna take her friend them. She heard of me because my music trending. My music trending. I want to be popular, I'm outside, and I get them outside. Well, watch him, I'm gonna jump off, I will stop now.
Put them a beam, marijuana. No roof on the whip on the high road. Baby, you can touch the sky all night.
Man say, yo, one time I roll out the roof, a convertible carried out the roof, me a drive. A convertible me in a carried out roof. Baby, you can touch the sky one time we a roll. Just try and know that. Oh, that video you clean like Jesus police record. That video you clean like a done spit the book in a high school. That video you clean like you live in a bleach buckle. That video you clean like you never see dirt before. That video you clean. Yo, let's go. Alright, the video clean. Let's go.
If you don't make money, then it don't make sense. Bare fake love, see I don't need friends. And I drop up whip and I don't move by me.
Yo, every youth in the video do them part. Yo, save it.
Know you want me, but you can't afford me. Girls around me, naughty, naughty.
Yeah, the fact that everybody enjoy themselves in that video, even the girl them invite, even the cameraman enjoy himself in that video. Even the cameraman enjoy himself in them. Brother.
Don't come around me if you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Look on the various different type amount of girl them in the video, dog. Look there. Look there. They're mad.
Naughty, naughty. If you're not vibing, if you're not dancing.
Yo, the video sick. The video sick. The video sick. That's all me I said. My boy, I feel want to end. My boy, I feel. Yo, people, the video sick. The video sick. The video bad. Guys, if you enjoy the video, enjoy the reaction. Sorry, but there's not much lyrics to break down in the video anyway. In the song, there's not much lyrics to break down. It's just, you know, say, yo, G-A-L, girl. G-I-R-L, girl. G-I-R-L-S, girls. Guys, if you love the video and want to support the channel, please subscribe if you're new. Please like the video. Also, guys, I've left a link to another link. I've left my PayPal name down in the description, so feel free to donate every little help. You know what I mean, guys? I'll see you in the next one, man.